Vanakkam. Welcome to Dosa Pizza. I am Kanchan Jayakumar. A lovely session of a wonderful healthy sweet. This is the Ragi Ladoos. These ladoos we are going to make it with ragi, ghee, coconut, nuts and jaggery. It's going to be a lovely healthy one. Do try this. Just add some little ghee and roast the nuts. Let the stove be in medium flame. So here it's roasted well. Now let's remove it. Just to the same pan, let's add this ragi powder or ragi flour and then keep your stoves in the medium itself. So there will be a raw smell now. So we'll have to slightly roast it and the roasted smell should come. It'll take at least 5 minutes. So I'm getting a slight roasted flavor. Now let's add the coconut to this. Now add the remaining ghee and roast it well. Can you see nicely? See, the flour is completely coated with ghee. Now add the roasted nuts. Add the cardamom powder. Now lastly we are going to add the jaggery or palm jaggery or even sugar, depends on whatever is available and which you like. You can add it, and that we will be adding it after removing it from the fire. Now we are going to add the dissolved jaggery syrup. It need not be very hot, something which your hands will be able to bear or tolerate. Just grease it with some ghee. So you will be able to make small ladoos when it is warm enough to hold. See to that it is warm and you will be able to hold it with your palms like this, because it's going to become very cold and you will not be able to put them together into a laddu or a ball. So you will have to just see that they are in the right heat so that you will be able to make the ladoos. So dear friends, hope you enjoyed this session of making the lovely ragi millet ladoos. They are very simple and yet very healthy dish. Do try this and keep us posted. Dosa Pizza is all about enhancing your taste buds. If you like this video, press like, subscribe to Dosa Pizza, and for your printable recipes visit dosapizza.com. Thank you and bye-bye.